it's me Purnima. Welcome back to my channel. So I hope you all are safe and you all are staying home, and in few places, as I know, there's lockdown as well. So I thought you people might be bored at home, and here I bought a special video for you of 12 things what you can do if you're bored in lockdown. Let's get started. So you guys can learn a new talent, like you can learn a new language, or you can learn singing, dancing, art, something which you've heard of but you never tried it out. So you have all the time in the world, so you can try learning something new. There are millions of websites and apps which can teach you everything, and everything is on the internet these days. So you can use that phone which you're scrolling Instagram through to learn something new. So this is something really super fun, and I hope, actually not hope, you people will definitely try it out. Go watch a nice movie or a series with your family, or be it alone even. It'll be super fun, trust me out. Maybe most of you guys might have already been doing it, but doing it with your family is more worth it. All that family time which you've been missing out, you can recover that. Personally, me, my parents and my brother have been watching a lot of series and movies. It's like really super fun, and you can stay much connected with your family as well. The next thing is to do a DIY. DIY for your clothes, be it your makeup, be it your room, be it your house, anything a DIY, or be it your phone case as well. One of my friends actually DIYed and painted her mom's phone case. She sent me a picture on Snapchat. So there are like a lot available which you can DIY, and there are like many videos. Which you can see and you can DIY when you're bored. So go check that out too. It's super fun, and you won't even know the time is like literally passing out. So it's super important to learn to cook. At least the basic recipes. I wouldn't say everybody has to, because there's like a difference of opinion. Few people love to cook, few people do not love to cook. So you have to learn to cook maybe when you have like all of this time, and know if you're already a chef or already a great cook. You can try out new recipes on what you're wanting to do or something like that. And also you can try out simple recipes from my Puri Cookery series as well from my channel. You guys can check out, they're like very simple recipes, and they're very easy to make, especially for teenagers. You can make it yourself, so go check it out as well. The next habit is my personal favorite, which is reading books. I love reading books, and you guys can read a lot of books over the internet. And maybe if you have some books at your home which are in the shelves collecting dust, you can maybe read them over again. It will be super fun to do that. Or maybe if you're like not really into reading, you can even listen to your books. There are like many apps which actually where you can actually listen to books. So go download a bunch of them from the internet, and I vouch for it. It is super fun. I hope it is super important to pick up a physical activity while you cannot get out of your house. Personally, I am dancing and working out, so you can pick up many activities, like you can work out and you can dance, or maybe you can do some Zumba, yoga. There are many activities out there which you can pick out and work for yourself. So one thing that you can do is play board games with your family especially, or else if you don't have anybody to play physically with you, you can play it over online. There are so many apps on the App Store which you can download and play with others over the online. I guess it's like very super fun playing board games and card games, like super fun. You never get bored, and you never feel like the time is passing even. So I think it's like super important, as we all are stuck at home. we have to stay connected with our loved ones, with our friends, relatives, everybody. You can video call them or you can audio call them, and you can just talk to them every single day. I hope like it doesn't make you feel low, it doesn't make you feel down. All of my loved ones who are watching this video, they will definitely know that I call them every single day to talk. And I think there are like a million of apps out there where you can video call, or you can text, or you can do whatever to stay connected. Next thing is organization, which is something which most of us are lazy to do, even including me. Even I am too lazy to organize my stuff, but if I decide to do it, I will stay up the whole night to confirm every single space of my room is clean. So it's not something which is gonna work like that. It is something like you have all the time in the world, so you can clean your room, be it your house, and if you want, you can rearrange your room, you can redecor. There are like many options where you can uh, do for your room. As I mentioned before in my video, you can do a nice DIY and redecorate it again as well, or organize your makeup, organize your books, or whatever, organize anything which is left over, or organize that closet which you've been postponing for several days by now. Go do it out, and it'll be super fun, and you don't even know the time passes away. So have a nice pamper day. I wouldn't say this is something which you can do on daily basis, but it is something which you can do on at least weekly once. Go on a pamper day, pamper yourself, take a nice hot shower, and play some music, and also maybe do a face mask, maybe do a hair mask, and give yourself a nice pamper, nice chill routine. Spend few hours for your body and for yourself as well. So this is something which I don't think everybody is gonna do, which is to make TikToks or like Instagram reels. I think it's like really super fun. As a person whom uh, I make content, and I make TikToks and reels as well for social. If you're not confident of what you are, know your self-worth, be confident, and jump into reels or jump into TikTok. It's okay to do one or two, and I assure you that it's gonna take so long and you're gonna never get bored. I am telling it with experience. I'm not just talking it out. I know how much time it takes to make a transition or make a TikTok reel or anything of that kind, and it's gonna take a lot of time, and it will be super fun. You might gain followers as well in the part. The last and final thing for the video, which is to listen to new music. Especially when I open my playlist, I could have listened to the songs which are like 100 times, so I don't feel like listening to them anymore, and maybe I find new music and new artists, and it's super fun to do, and I'm a music lover, so of course it's super fun for me to do, and it could be fun for you as well. So I hope that I mentioned out everything which is practically possible that you guys can do. Nothing overboard, nothing which you cannot do. I have ensured that nothing impractical is gonna get into this video. Everything's practical, everything is easy, and everything's which is you can do personally. So yeah, thanks for watching. I hope you guys are doing good and staying at home, staying safe. Please isolate yourself if you feel like you have any kind of symptoms. Let's not spread, and let's break the chain, and like, share and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on my social media as well, that little bell icon near the subscribe button, so that every time I post, you guys will get a notification to shower some love. Until next video, bye bye.